wakaru.
Vai aku tio mo ngano.
Ia kaiao, o mai kaiao.
Ia, vai sempre.
No wakaru.
Yeah. Vai ia. Này aku mai lo wakai ia. Ai vai đây.
Cô.
Ma so le.
Ma sui. Ai vai escolher na ai na bodi ana ke ak fa ka se o mia.
What happened to your princess seat? Passenger princess? Well, we've got a new princess. Taken over by the new princess here.
Me ala so vai ao stadio.
Yeah, we were talking about it. She's like, Ma,
Como me ao sports show say.
I know Aussie's over the moon right now, and I'm so happy for him. She was laughing about those skeletons. It's Halloween coming up, which I really don't like this season. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus. I rebuke. Huh?
Tama yun.
Lai.
Wala si Ma, may makang. Ate mo niya ba pesa? May makang. Mo offer yan ka wow. Abi so offer yan yo ka wow.
Ngai sa. Ali.
Is your bank accounting?
Send my call.
Oh, you should. Never mind. We're in Big W now, guys. We came to get some slippers. Just starting off slow, you know, guys. Slowly, she'll build up a wardrobe. Because we have to wait for the bank account, you know what I'm saying? Aussie's really happy, Law's really happy, and I'm happy that they're all happy. Because we are one big happy family. Oh, she would like something like this. She's a young spirit. She likes this kind of stuff. Milo wa funga. I know my mummy-in-law's style. So slowly we'll come back and get her a handbag. Oh my gosh, cracker. So just preparing Mom's PJ. She's got a robe and then her slippers as well. Just to wear around the house. Oh, isn't that lovely?
Hey, no. Nope. I'm over. Ari. Come on me.
Bebe, go potty bell. Potty bell. Be out of my left for you gonna live far.
Sa la ki. Now. I don't say you found on the finger I ngati. Ata sa kami.
Mai yero aku.
Mai yero pak. Aya.
Le puero waka ave ilunga. She looks so cute. Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I was talking for like a whole minute and it wasn't recording. But we're on our way out. I'm here with Mum Becca. We've been awake 6 a.m. because I went to bed early last night. But yes, I was so exhausted last night. And I'm gonna wear Aussie's shoes. I went to bed really early last night. So I woke up at 4 a.m. and I've been awake since. And then I heard Mum up around that time as well because she's probably still on Samoan time. She usually goes for a walk at this time. Cheka mai uskaki.
Kau ka mai. Ngai masisi ka nga ka koe
So we're coming here to Dobinson's to have some breakfast. Finished my appointment and hey, can I please get ik heb hier veel chocolate veel voor cream niet pollen. Do you have carrot cake?
I do.
Yeah, veel cake there. The chocolate raspberry mousse cake, yep. Yep, so I got us a couple things. We haven't eaten this morning, and also mama hot chocolate, and I got a dirty try. I feel so tired, I can't wait to go home and sleep. Qua mua mất bacon. Qua mua mất bacon. I'm enjoying her cake. I got the carrot cake. I used to hate carrot cake, but the older you get, guys, who would have known? Ay, no ko wala na So we're back here again. We're heading for a little stroll, family stroll, taking Bear for a walk. We went and met Seloa halfway, and now we're going back again for a stroll. Did you bring his frisbee?
Sasangay lo makuha yan. Se sasangay lo matua ya matou fale. Ya alu ya ilunga lalo tamoe. Savari aku mo ya maru le ere kaule maru rua pi maru mai vengan le sau le savili le ngai kempo. Ya le ngar kui per of ma fanga ke o mai ses. Lo au son ko sol mai de. Au son ku ya ke wa la ko. Ya mangai sulullah. Pasavari aku lo mitire I maka masavari fia savat ko isaila kiria lela moi
o mafau se o ka mai avi se ngani o wadu le ko lengi ko lo ko ai a sau ke le fia mo ke sau mo mai yo
ke moi le le
ya ke sau fa la minha
fa ko ke moi le fa maria o moi o ke ve si voa ngai ke oscar ke ro sa mo o sa mo fa fe a o ngai ngare ala fo a relax Koma mua.
Ele me fez what? Anu fongo. Inga família ro. O kurang le ki nga kuri. O kurang ki nga vai le.
Ai. Ma qua e fia ki ko le ni ma ka ki ari mere.
Ko le fa yung fongo foro. Unin fa sa vai.
Te ko ro fia ki ko le ni ri nga yan ki ka alo siner poro sa mo ari.
Não, eu quero vai falar dos tios. Quero falar dos tios ia. A qua fai lima ma vai.
Mai mo wo so fu malolo ina.
Nga, nang o fai fa pe nga me.
Pe de wo nga ke wa pe wo ro kingu. Nem fai ro ngai sa vat tor. Velo rumore mai de velo rumore ki.
Morning, guys. It is approximately 7 something. We got up, well, Mum got up super early. Levanga e ala Mum. Mo levanga e ala. Masangi, I can't walk kami Samoa. Yep, so she's for your exercise. Yeah, no mau mai e sa vari mai moriselo ilang ngadwenga. So we're having a little break. Makikoma ke isi ikao ai roa. And then I'm gonna make us some breakfast and bacon and eggs. Guys, I'm so tired. I can't even talk. I woke up at 6 something as well because I could hear Aussie getting ready and stuff like that. So I got up as well, and I could hear Mum walking around. But it's just so nice because we're here spending time together, and she's just telling me stories. Some great bonding time with my mummy-in-law, telling me stories about life, pretty much. But we'll see you guys. This is hold on a little bit. This is your workplace, and we're sitting here. I can see her. Hot chocolate. Love you. Just got home, and I'm just showing Mum. I gave her my old phone, and I created her just a dummy Facebook page. Not a real one, but just so that her family can contact her, her kids in Samoa can contact her, call her on Messenger. And I also, followed all of the news pages in Samoa, like Talafo and things like that, Tauta Yae, so that she can listen to those things and keep connected. So getting her upgraded with technology, just teaching her how to use it, navigate the phone and stuff like that. She's really liking it. She's loving her new phone. Guys, we're pretty much just chilling here. She's still listening to her news. She's listening to Tauta Yae Oe, something like that. Let me turn down this brightness. And she's just laughing to herself. It's so great to see. You know, our old folks, they need to be connected with technology too. So I encourage you, if your parent is not online, get them online. They will have a ball with it. Like, they will feel connected, feel young again. She's just laughing at what he's saying and stuff like that. I'll need to charge it soon. I'm just making us some breakfast now. Mum's still on her phone. She's still watching Talafo, and it's great. I'm so happy to see her being connected, laughing, talking to herself. She thinks I can hear what they're saying. I actually can't because she's got her headphones on. And now I'm about to make us a green smoothie. Just a tiny bit for her to drink and eat because I still want her to stay healthy. I know that a lot of us islanders, when we bring our parents out, we want them to eat a lot and we want them to eat sweets and the things that they haven't tried before, but we need to take it easy because from someone who knows the bad effects of sugar, I just keep saying just take it easy because she's old and I don't want her insulin and her health going out of whack. So we do let her have chocolates and stuff because that is her favorite. But we have to monitor it because I know she loves her biscuits and she loves her cakes. But, and I did take her yesterday, you guys saw. But I'm just conscious, I'm very aware of how much she has. So we're having bacon and eggs and a green smoothie, and we'll check back in with you guys soon. We got banana, blueberry, strawberries, spinach, and yogurt and water. Oh. Mom. nog even ontvangen. We vangen ook even van je. Maar dat mijn ma.
Chỉ đi ta cũng nhận bà thu cho mày làm và chạy đồ là không nên
Amen. Wala au ay no. Berries male, fai male, magkapis.
mà cái gì
Maya ya.
rồi kia nó cần gì ấy số
Ale umaku o may ba na ai. So foi moi. Foi moi.
nó có bối cái là luôn miệng
O le bacon.
ôi
Ma, you got breakfast
mà cái gì vâng
Just got back from the gym. About to have some dinner. We cooked before we left, so that it would be a nice, easy just reheat when we come home. Is taro, some veggies, potato salad, and our lamb is coming.
Esse é uma coisa que eu Cristian Leo, ela tudo na rua. Ya, até o sol não faz ué. E até o tu mas fucha mai o secretário. E vai estar no papel tudo que mandar no o tala no tu falo.
Sarap ko kiko.
ngồi mà nó chỉ là chín và mình nghe qua này giờ nghe ai
먹지 veggies ano 먹고.
My boy.
What's it called? Water or what's the next? All right, bye guys.